Hey y'all, welcome back to Arthur Atlas Homestead channel. Watch me turn this small okra into dainty cute earrings. First, I cut up the okra into small pieces and I dried them out for a few days. It didn't take long because the okra was small, so it was small pieces, so it didn't take long to dry out. Now I have to figure out the design that I want for these earrings. I usually just freestyle my designs, but I personally made me some earrings, some okra earrings, and I use silver beads, but I don't think I'm gonna do this for this pair of earrings. I think I'm gonna use like a pearl bead because I think that resembles the seed of the okra, so I think that would be cute. So I'm placing the beads on the okra now. My okra did not grow good this year in the garden. I only had 2 plants that sprouted up from seed, and they was growing really slow. They didn't take off like they did previous years. So that little plant that you seen that I got this okra from, that's the only okra that I got this year so far, and it's already end of August, so I don't think I want to get any okra this year. But that's okay, because it's always next year. I didn't want to waste the okra, this one little pretty okra, so I'm like, what can I do with this okra? So I decided to make earrings with it. And since the okra was small, I'm like, let's make dainty earrings. I think that would be really cute. I'm only going to get 2 pairs out of this okra, so I'm going to make one for myself and one to put in the shop. Putting these tiny beads on this tiny okra was like so frustrating because you had to make sure it was on the right side, and then when you put the resin on there, they will move and you have to put it back and then try to cure it in the right spot. So it was very tedious work, and it took longer than I expected to put it on there. Do y'all like to eat okra? I love okra. I tried okra raw for the first time last year, and it is really good. I like it. I like to eat it raw. I also like to eat it dehydrated too. That is with a little bit of salt. Oh my goodness, I can eat it like chips. They are so good. Good snacks. I eat the raw okra in the garden when I'm just snacking in the garden, and then I eat the dehydrated okra if I have like a lot of okra coming out of the garden. I have that as a healthy snack instead of chips. I eat boiled okra, but it's just not my favorite, but I do eat boiled okra too. I just rather have it fried, dehydrated, or plain raw. Have y'all noticed how long I've been trying to get these beads on this okra? I know I've been talking, but it's been a good, 4 minutes on me just trying to get the beads in place. I'm finally done with that. Now it's time to put the resin on the okra. I'm gonna do this step little by little. Like I was saying earlier, once I started putting the resin on there, the beads started to shift, so I had to move quickly. Okay, this is what I got so far. I got the first layer of resin on there so the beads can stay in place. And now we're about to start with the second layer. is what I got so far. And look, I'm still working on just one earring. I haven't even started on the second one yet. I really was not expecting it to take this long because they were so tiny and small. But I wanted to look right, so hey, ours it is. Alright, here's how they look with the beads on there. Finally got both of them pretty much done. Now we're going to do the final layer of resin on there. Alright y'all, we almost there. This is how the earrings are looking so far, and now I'm about to drill the holes so I can put the hoops in there. This part with putting the hoops on there was a little challenging because my hands are so big, so I was just fumbling with the hoop and the stud, so it took me a minute to like get the stud on the hoop, but we finally got it on there eventually. Yeah, I really recommend wearing gloves when you are working with resin because it kind of gets messy and you don't want all of that on your hands because it is chemicals. But I just sometimes I feel like my gloves be getting in the way and I can't really work how I want to work. So, but I really try hard to wear gloves when I'm working with resin. And these are the parrot okra earrings that I made for Atlas Jewels. So they will be available there. Link in the bio. And thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.